Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we have someone special to talk about photography. Okay, so we are coming to take you a tip or tip you whatever it is. We are on the tech tips. Okay, so guys, I have stayed in the building and we are going to ask him some serious questions because he's a photographer. All right. Okay, so Stain, a lot of people have been talking about photography. Can you actually tell us what photography is about?
Yeah, sure. So, Franklin, thank you for having me. And your lovely greetings to the viewers. So, photography is complex, but simply to put it, it's just an art of capturing light. So, that's what photography is. So, if you want to look at the origination of the word photography itself, say Greek or Latin, photo means light.
Yeah.
So photography is just an art of capturing light. Simple short. That's
So does that mean that if I have a phone and I've taken a picture, then photography?
yeah, that's photography.
So it's not really about you having a big camera and then standing doing other stuff.
No, that's not what photography is. Because we have types of photography.
Okay, I would love to know, or my viewers would love to know.
Sure. We have professional photography. So me personally, I'll just branch photography into two main aspects. That is professional photography and obviously normal level photography or phone photography. You understand? But if you come to professional photography, that's when you have inside details, columns. You understand? There is the product photography, there is commercial photography, you understand? There is architectural photography, a whole lot.
So can you tell us more about professional photography?
Okay, so professional photography is just basically any photography that you are doing or any form of photography you are doing to make money. That's professional photography. You get it?
So can someone use phone for professional photography?
Yes and no. Because yes, in the sense that if I'm using my phone to take pictures and I'm selling it for money, I'm a professional working with my phone. You understand? Good. The same way a blogger can choose to work from a laptop or work from the phone, it's still a blogger, it's a professional. You understand? So if you're using your phone to capture pictures for money, you're doing professional photography.
So talking about pictures and money, more important about pictures, and that's what you guys give out as your outcome, right, to us. So what actually should I be looking at in a picture to know that okay, this is a professional photography?
Okay, so let's look at what makes an image. So an image, okay, my understanding, alright. I don't know what Wikipedia will say or something. It's just a combination of colors and textures. That's just what an image is. You understand? So now, if you are photographing a subject. So for it to be professional, your subject has to, or the image has to depict your subject. So for example, if like you, Franklin, are my subject and I'm photographing you, for like my image to be professional, that means that whatever I'm photographing has to depict you, Franklin, that whoever is watching sees it, know like, okay, this is Franklin, that's professional photography. That's what shows that an image is professional. So like other things come into like play to make an image like, people say professional research. That will be the resolution and let's say the retouching, the color grading, all these kind of like complex technical things. Okay, come together to make an image nice or nicer.
So with the main topic here is the future of photography. Okay, if you don't know about that, the main topic here is the future of photography. And there are people who are using phone for these photography stuffs. I personally, I feel using camera for photography is actually fading out of the system. And because he does use cameras and other stuff, I would like him to comment a bit on is photography coming to stay with us or is leaving? I mean, professional photography that we think about using your camera and blending down. Okay.
It's a nice one there because like what the professional photography space right now is getting a lot of serious competition. You get it because of advancements in technology. Because right now, any decent phone can shoot a good portrait. So like all phone companies right now, even like a computer like manufacturers right now are doing their best to put the best of like cameras into their phones. So right now we have like almost every smart device can take a picture, from like smart TVs to smartphones to laptops, even iPods take pictures. Sure. You understand? So like right now the photography skill is a result of like competition. We get it. But me personally, I do not think that phones can ever remove professional like we photographers from the field. You understand? Because we know what we are about. We know what we are doing. We get me.
Already know putting into practice. Okay, I've realized that people are using phone for everything now and linking it to photography. Don't you have there some impact already? Yeah, there should be like people losing their job because of phones or even like is there any
I think
impact?
what you're saying is true, but me, I think those photographers who are losing their jobs are the ones who are not creative enough. You get me? They are the ones who can't adapt the changes in the system. You get it? Because at the end of the day, what would push someone to see your pictures and be like, oh wow, I want to shoot with this guy? It is your creativity. You get it? How much you can bring in, or how presentable you can make an image. Because at the end of the day, anyone can take a picture, but not everyone can, take a nice or something creative.
I would love it if you really celebrate and everyone can take a picture, but not everyone can take a picture.
Yes, everyone can take a picture, but not everyone can take a picture. You understand? Because at the end of the day, like there are certain people who like need like photography services. You understand? And I think for those kind of people, whatever they do, they will still need professionals like us. Those people can be celebrities, they can be actresses, they can be like companies. You understand? And like photography for me, right now I think photography as like a luxury. You understand? Because at the end of the day, it is if you can afford it.
So, what are the processes that actually involved in photography? Comparing it to mobile phones.
Oh, okay. So for me right now, if you want a session with me, first you have to book me. So when the thing is done, you have to sit down and come up with concepts for your shoots. That's depending on the type of shoot you're doing. So if it's a wedding, if it's a birthday shoot, if it's just even a normal lifestyle shoot, sit down and come up with concepts. That's like I know that will fit the type of shoot you want to do. From the concept, then I come to the styling. That's the type of clothes, the colors of the clothes, what message that concept would tell. Because at the end of the day, like all photographers, the good ones will try to tell the story through their images. And all this is based on a concept, a styling and everything. So like from the table, from our location and everything, we choose it. We make sure that everything matches. And that is one thing that people taking pictures of phones, okay, most don't do. So they don't take their time to plan their images. It's everything goes. You understand? But we make sure that everything is supposed to be on point.
Let me, I want you to explain. Will I just pick any camera of any type, any lens of any type, and then shoot based, despite your styling and your other stuff?
No. So like we have different camera brands. That is like this the public knowledge. So like there's Canon, there's Nikon, there's Sony, there's a whole lot. But then every photographer has what they love shooting with. So then for me, I shoot with Canon. I don't know if I will change later in the future, but then for right now, like I'm a Canon freak. So like based on the shoots I want to do. So like I shoot with the Canon 5D. So like based on the shoots I want to do, I choose my lenses. So if I'm shooting headshots, I shoot in an 85mm. And if like maybe I'm shooting normal portraits, sometimes I shoot on the 50 mm, or I go with my 35. I go with my 35 mm. So like depends on what you want to shoot. You like,
He's saying mm. Is it millimeter or what is the mm of it?
So yeah, mm is millimeter. So like this 85 mm, 50 mm, 35 mm I'm mentioning, it's just we call it focal length photography. So I don't really want to bore your viewers with all the technical terms and all these things because there is a lot of like physics in photography. So
basically, you mean people even go to school for photography? It's not just about you buying a camera.
It's like I think it's in this part of the country that like photography is not really taken as like that serious. But I think that is changing because if you go to the go outside. You know what I mean by go outside.
I mean, if you go outside,
photography can be studied to the master's level. So like if you go outside Ghana, the people who have masters in photography, they have degrees in photography and other things. So yeah.
Alright. I think he's really getting us some things. In fact, if you want to ask any question, just leave it in the comment section there, okay? Because he's ever ready. In case you need to know more about this, he can school you on it. So maybe you have a live YouTube, then you can.
Oh yeah, like I think I'll be starting my like production classes very soon. And I think this will be the right opportunity to announce to your viewers. So anyone who is interested in becoming a photographer, whether you have knowledge and then you want to improve upon your skills, or you don't even know anything at all, like right from the basic. I was also in the you don't have to be scared of learning. Just reach out to them. I think that will put in the pages. So yeah.
I'll be leaving his pages and his
reach out to
anything to us in there.
And then I'll help you to like, but as a feedback,
But because of me bringing him to my channel, I think you use a code or you tell him, okay, you watch his video somewhere and then you actually have a discount for you. Okay, I love my viewers, so you should be able to do that.
We'll see about that.
Yeah, my last question here has to do with there are a lot of people who aspire to be photographers, but probably their parents are not allowing it because they see photography as a different thing, or it's not like a course to be mastered in Africa or in Ghana here especially. What word do you have for them?
Well, the first thing I'll say is, I don't blame their parents for having such a mindset because, excuse me to say, they're not open-minded. Then they don't know the advantages that being a photographer comes with. See, you get if you are really good, like you invest the time and then you work hard, you do everything right. You even get the chances to travel outside. Go to different places. So like it's not a skill that you should play with. So if you are thinking of becoming a photographer, I think the only things I'll say is to learn, to make, to repeat. Learn. But you have to make, repeat. Oh yeah, and eat also. Learn, make, repeat. That's the process.
So any advice out to the client? Any advice you want to give to the newcomers who want to be professional photographers?
Oh, that's what I just said. They should learn, they should make, and they should repeat. That's the process. That's the process of putting work. You learn, you make, you repeat. Because it's not always that you get things right, but you learn. After learning, you have to go practice. And I'll say they should spend most of their time practicing instead of learning, because there is a saying that for the things that we must learn, we do them, or we learn them by doing them. Sorry, so I changed the words. For the things that we must learn, we learn them by doing them. So we spend more time practicing and then learn once in a while. Everything.
Okay, so one thing you need to take out from here is that he says what you learn, you make, you repeat, and I said don't forget to eat whilst you are doing all those stuff. Okay, so I'll be leaving his channels or his whatever you need to get access to him in the description. Don't forget to go there with the code Franklin or the tech tips to just get access to whatever you want to learn from him. Okay, and this video is actually sponsored and produced by Stain Photography. They are not only good in photography, they are also good in videography. If you want a wedding, if you are doing a wedding, you want a photo shoot, whatever you want to do pertaining to photography and videography is available. Just contact him. I'll be leaving his description once again. I'll be leaving his description. Just contact him with the code detectives or Franklin, and you'll be able to sort it out on a good basis. And I promise you, he won't fail you. Okay, and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video if you really love it. And as well, subscribe to this channel for more videos. If you need me to bring him back, I'll bring him back to this show. Alright, so we'll meet in the next video.
Alright, see ya.